how they will sound if you take a phone call.
Tiago here, welcome back, or welcome. If it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that something interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the EarFun Air Pro 4. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about these earbuds, how they sound, the sound outside, the microphones, sound quality, price, and in the end, if it's worth you buying them. With this said, let's start the review. Looking at the price tag, the EarFun Air Pro 4 for the UK is £63.99. For the US, the price tag is $69.99. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please use them, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. EarFun surprises every year with better earbuds. And the EarFun Air Pro 4 are the proof of that. Let's have a look at the design. They are designed very well and with very high quality materials, both case and earbuds. At the top, you have the EarFun branding. At the front, you have 3 LEDs to tell you the battery life of the case. And at the back, the Type-C port to charge the earbuds. And it's not all, because you will get wireless charging in this case. The lid opens really nice and smooth and holds open in all positions. Inside, the case will light up the interior and looks really cool. At the top of the lid inside, there is also a rubber bumper to protect your earbuds. The earbuds are the typical AirPods Pro style ear tip. Very well designed, with the stem in the bluish color and the body of the earbuds in gloss black. The earbuds have in-ear detection. Let's look at the specs. The EarFun Air Pro 4 have the fantastic Qualcomm chipset with the latest adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation technology. They have Snapdragon sound technology with aptX lossless for premium sound, LDAC with a high-res audio, Auracast for broadcasting audio, 6 mics with CVC 8.0, more on that in a few minutes, multi-point connection for 2 devices, in-ear detection, and they also come with IPX5 water-resisting rating, so you'll get a good protection for the gym or under the rain. These earbuds, in my opinion, have everything you need. Looking at the battery, we have around 52 hours, so 11 hours with the earbuds plus 41 hours with the charging case. But please remember that this will depend on what mode you use. It is also great to see that they have wireless charging. Most earbuds those days, they are very expensive and they don't have wireless charging. Before we talk about the ANC or the sound quality, please be the judge on the next mic test sound quality.
Right guys, so this is the sound test with the EarFun Air Pro 4 inside of my room. So there is no noises around, it's silent. I have carpets, so yeah, no sound bouncing. I'm hoping they will sound quite good. So let me know what you guys think. We're gonna go outside and do the same test, but outside. It's quite windy today, so let's see how they perform outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the EarFun Air Pro 4 outside. This is how they will sound if you're going to take a phone call and you are outside. The weather is a little bit like windy, not much. So let me know what you think. Let me know how they sound. Are they sound any good? Let's go inside and carry on with the review.
The EarFun app is really good, with loads of options. You will get the battery left in both earbuds and case. After that, you have the ANC controls with 5 different ANC options. Below that, the gaming mode, the EQ controls, and where you have 29 EQ presets, plus the option of creating your own EQ. And you can have also your ears analyzed and get your own personalized EQ. You can disable your controls or remap them. After that, the dual device connection, and you can also choose LE audio. A really complete app in my opinion. EarFun have many earbuds with great ANC, and the Air Pro 4 are no different. The ANC on this pair is really impressive. Low humming noises, road noises, and airplane cabin noises are easily cancelled by the EarFun Air Pro 4. If you don't have music playing, they will cancel around 80% of the noise, but with the music playing, it will cancel almost everything. Cafe noises lowers down the volume around 70% without music. and with music playing, it cancels quite effectively. Transparency mode gives you a very natural sound and the feeling that you're not wearing the earbuds. In my opinion, the ANC has a performance of 9 out of 10. So far, great earbuds, great specs, but how is the sound signature? So, in LDAC, using the default EQ, this earbuds produces a very clean rumbling sub-bass. But if you change the EQ, you can get really deep sub-bass. Mid vocals is also really good, sitting at a very neutral position. The highs are good in default EQ mode, but you can achieve perfection if you play with the EQs. Overall, a very high quality sounding earbuds in my opinion. There is nothing bad to point out about the EarFun Air Pro 4. I'm really impressed with the innovation put into these earbuds, so that you can have any feature that you want in a pair of earbuds. For the price, features and sound quality, these are the easy pair to recommend. And that's it guys, this was our review on the EarFun Air Pro 4. If you found any value in this review, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. If you want to buy them, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please use them, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.